That 98% is a lie. Not a mistake. Not a glitch. A lie. Programmed by a corporate lawyer. Designed specifically to keep you from claiming your warranty. And in 2026, millions of used EVs are hitting the market. Every single one wearing that same clean dashboard smile. I'm going to show you exactly how AI sees what the dealership hides. Stay with me. This will save you thousands. March 2026. A major industry index drops a headline study. Average battery health across used EVs sits at 95%. The media ran with it. Dealers printed it out. They stuck it on the showroom wall like a trophy. Here's what they didn't tell you. That 95% is an average, a mask. It is deliberately hiding the bottom 10%. 1 in 10 used EVs on the market right now is a lemon battery. Not underperforming, not slightly degraded, chemically compromised, dangerously close to failure. If you are the unlucky buyer in that bottom percentile, you are not buying a car. You are buying a $20,000 repair bill. Averages protect the industry's reputation. Data protects your bank account. Those are not the same thing. And right now, the data is being buried. Here is the mechanism. Here is the actual scam. EVs built between 2020 and 2025 models like the ID, 4, or early Blazer EV. They run a process called software smoothing inside the battery management system. Individual cells inside your battery pack degrade at different rates. Some cells drop dangerously low in voltage. Software smoothing detects those drops and hides them. It masks the real readings, averages the cells together. Why? Because the warranty floor is 70%. If your battery reports below 70%, the manufacturer has to pay. So the software keeps the number just above that line. Not because the battery is healthy, because the legal team said so. Your dashboard is not a health monitor. It is a liability management tool. Now let's talk about high-mileage EVs. 100,000 miles plus. Clean history report. Low asking price. Looks perfect on paper. AI battery analysis tells a completely different story. These packs are not just degraded, they are chemically unstable. Lithium plating, electrolyte breakdown, cell swelling. None of it shows on the dashboard. None of it shows on the dealer's report. But AI reads the raw voltage behavior over time. It sees the chemistry, not the cover-up. Here is exactly what you do before buying any used EV. Pull the raw OBD2 cell voltage log from the car. You need an OBD2 adapter that accesses BMS data, not the dashboard readout, the raw cell-level log. Then you open your AI of choice and paste this exact prompt. Copy this down. Analyze this raw OBD2 cell voltage log. Identify the standard deviation between the highest and lowest cell voltage. Is the BMS balancing the load to artificially hide a failing module? What you are looking for is simple. If the variance between your highest and lowest cell is over 30 millivolts, at a 50% state of charge, that battery is dying. It does not matter what the dashboard says. It does not matter what the dealer says. The chemistry does not lie. The software does. AI is your shield. Use it before you sign anything. Real question for you right now. Would you buy a used EV without running a full third-party AI audit first? Drop one word in the comments. Never if you would never trust the dashboard again. Trust it if you have found a source you actually believe. I am reading every single comment. Not my team, me. Because the people watching this channel, you are not average buyers. You are the ones who check the data. And right now, your comment helps other buyers find this video. Hit that like button. It fights the algorithm. It gets this out. Let me leave you with this. A 2016 Toyota hybrid battery You test it with a $10 multimeter. 2 probes, 2 minutes, done. You know exactly what you are buying. A 2026 electron volts? You need OBD2 logging software. You need cell-level voltage analysis. You need AI to parse what the BMS is hiding. You need a data scientist where a mechanic used to stand. The automotive industry changed the game on purpose. Complexity protects their margins, not your money. Subscribe to this channel before you buy your next vehicle, because the next video covers exactly how dealers prep these cars for resale, what they reset, what they hide, and what AI always finds. You now know more than most dealership technicians admit to knowing. Use it.